When it comes to interest rates, they change all day, every day. So what your rate is today at 9 a.m. versus tomorrow at 2 p.m. could be entirely different. Hi, I'm Justin Smith, loan officer at Nova Home Loans. The goal of this channel is to educate you in every aspect of the home buying process. So when you're ready to take that step, you'll be well informed and confident in your decision. So here's why asking your lender what's your rate should not be the most important question. So by the end of today's video, I'd like to change your thought process a little bit and give you a couple tips on some of the things that you should be asking yourself if it's time to buy a home or not. Because what a lot of people don't understand is there is a cost to your rate. Getting a better rate doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get the best service. So there's a couple of things that we want to consider. How long are you going to be in this property? Are you going to be in the property for a year, or is this going to be for your forever home? That's going to be a big determining factor on if it makes sense to buy your rate down or not. So what my rule of thumb is I go based off of what we call a recoup rate. And I'll give you a small example. So if it's going to cost you X amount of money in order to save a little bit of money on your monthly mortgage payment, how long is it going to take you to recoup the money that you spent at closing in order to get that lower rate? So if it's going to take you 5 or 6 years to recoup that cost, but you only plan on being in the property for 2 or 3 years, it doesn't necessarily make sense to buy that interest rate down. So if asking about the interest rate is not the most important question, what are some questions that you should ask yourself to decide on if you're ready to purchase a home? First off, ask yourself, can you afford the monthly payment? Do you have money set aside in order to cover the down payment and the closing costs? Me personally, I like to do business with people that I know, like, and trust. So reach out to your friends, your family, and see who they used as a lender. Who helped them get their mortgage. Do your own research. Get online, look at the Google reviews, check them out on social media. So if you're already working with somebody, maybe you already have a pre-qual, and maybe you just want a second opinion and you need somebody to review that and give you a breakdown of exactly what the costs are and exactly what the numbers mean, don't hesitate to reach out. So if you found this beneficial, chances are there's somebody else that can benefit from this information. So give it a like, give it a follow, tag somebody in the comments.